Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless or magnetic charger. And it says magnetic wireless charger. Okay, so let's check this out here. Let's see what we got. It's got some weight to it. So let's see. We have this box in there, and then we have another box of stuff in there as well. And this one here says EnergyCell. I guess that's going to be the brand of this one. And let's see what we have. This is going to be the charger for it. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-C charger, so that means it's going to probably have some good power to it. And then here is the charging nugget, so we can plug this into that. I've got the lights in my eyes, and then this will go into the back of the device, so let's leave that there for now. And then here is the contraption here. This is nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like here, and it's going to do the QI2, it looks like it says there, of that. How do we open it up? It's got this, does it rotate? It rotates, so here we go. So we can rotate it around like that. So I can put this down somewhere and have my phone on it, and then I can have my watch on the little side piece here. Do I need to plug it in? I probably need to plug this thing in to make it start to work. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to put it down. That should be enough length. Okay, what does it say? Touch button for auto rotation. Oh, I hear something. Ooh, look at that. It auto rotates if I touch the button. And then I can probably touch this button here. Or this. Ooh, look at that. That little tray is coming out. That's going to be from my headphones. Oh, and that's going to be for my watch. So let's go ahead and try this stuff out here. So if I put my watch on this, there we go. It starts to charge. I can put a phone on here. And if I wanted to watch TV this way or something like that, I could. If I just wanted to be up on the top, I could turn it that way. How cool is that? And then I can put my headphones over there. I don't know where my headphones are. I think I lost them on my last airplane ride. So I don't have that. But look at that. How cool is this? This little thing, contraption here. And you look at it, and then when you're done, if I want to push the button here, it'll suck it back in again. What happens if I try to suck it in when my watch is on it? Watch falls off. That's pretty cool. It's a great little contraption here. And if I have it unplugged, then we have no power. So it totally needs the power for it to be plugged in. But how cool is that? So it's a little charging base here, and there's no wires. Oh, and then we have a little light. Let's turn that on. Oops, on, off. Let's see. You see the little light there? I don't know if you can with the light on, but it does light up. Oh, I pushed something. Where was it? There. You see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little blue, for me it's blue, light around the edge. So, totally cool. Haha, I can keep touching these buttons here, and it goes in and out, and turns and rotates. Great little device. This is super cool, super cute. So like when you're done with it, you can just go like that and make it so easy to store. So this could be cool. This will be great for my camper because it's got a nice rubber base, so it'll stay up on my on the counter where I need it. So totally cool. Thumbs up.